Hi, I'm Tavleen from Build Woo Funnels, and in this short video, I'm talking about the customizer or the design element of Upstroke one-click upsells. Now there are 6 psychological triggers that the customizer deploys, and I want you to know about each of them so that you can use them and you can unleash their power for upselling your products. So let's get started. So as you'll notice, you've got 3 options here. One is to choose this template from the inbuilt customizer. So this is simply a product upsell template. Then you've got the VSL template when you want to go, video sales letter heavy, and you want to sort of just have the video sales letter at the center, followed by the yes and the no buttons. You've got the third option, which is to design your custom upsell page using your favorite page builder. Now, even if you choose to use your favorite page builder to design a page, you still must know about the psychological triggers that go into creating a high converting upsell page. So, this is what this video is all about. Alright, so trigger number 1 is the progress bar right here. Now, this actually helps people get a sense of momentum that they are moving forward, right? So after order submitted, there's special offer, and then there is order receipt. So they know where they are in their purchase journey. So this actually gives them a sense of momentum. You've got 2 ways of displaying your progress bar. You can either do it the way that I just showed you, or like this, which shows how much sort of the percentage completion rate of the journey, right? So this is what you can do. You can present your progress bar in 2 ways. The next trigger right here is the pattern interrupt section. So now you must understand that when they click on place order on the checkout page, the next thing they expect to see is the thank you page. Instead, they see this special offer right here. So it's very important for us to tell them where they are and what they are viewing at the moment, and also it's also very important to stop them in their tracks and introduce them to the offer so that you can reduce your bounce off rates. To be able to do that, you can use the dynamic merge tag here, which is the customer first name, and personalize this upsell offer page. So, and then followed by here's an exclusive offer to complement your order, or wait, your purchase is not complete yet. And then followed by a sub headline, which gives them a reason to stay on this page and explore more. So add this to your order at a 25% off. We will ship it with the other items. Right? So now the third psychological trigger is the product section here. Again, you can represent it, you can present your offer in different formats, in different styles. So you have got here about 8 styles, right? This is one where you've got the product on the left and the description on the right. You can also have a top and bottom format. So the product image can go at the top, whereas the description can go at the bottom. So you can choose any of these different styles to present your offer. Well, now you must understand that for example, like in this case, they have already bought 1 pack of the face wash, and now we're upselling them a pack of 3 at 20% off. So this is the offer. You must spend time writing a description which describes the offer and not really the product as much, unless it's a new product that you're upselling here. In this case, we're upselling the same product. Our offer here is more of what you just bought. So which is why we do not need to spend time explaining them the product, but give them the reasons to accept this offer. So like here I say, for best results, you must make Upstroke Night Cream a part of your night care routine. Stock up right now so that you don't run out of it when your skin needs it the most. Get it now at wallet-moving prices. This offer at this price is not available anywhere else. So what we are doing here is that we are convincing them on the value of the deal, and we're also giving them a reason to act fast. Now, another trigger here is the buy block, right? The buy block here actually looks very simple. Well, what is in it? But it uses certain psychological triggers which can actually make people buy. Now, the call to action button is more important than the headline is sometimes, because this is the button that the user is going to click to finally accept the offer. So you must make sure that the button text that you write is highly persuasive. Now, in this case, it follows two things. Number one, the button text is in first person. So yes, add this to my order now. Now, using my actually personalizes this button and also increases the persuasive power of this button. Try it and my works more than you does, or add this to your order will. Right now, the second trigger that this pulls off is the now. So it says, it actually reinforces the value of urgency, the value of taking action right away. Also, there's a sub CTA here, which gives them another reason to click the button. Normally at $60, your savings 20%. So giving them one more reason to click. This text that you write here, you must make sure that it handles their objections. So one of their biggest objections could be, how will this pack be shipped to me? Or when will it be shipped to me? Well, so you can simply address it by saying, we will ship it out to you free in the same package, right? So that's another objection right there. Will I be charged for shipping of this upsell offer? So in case you're shipping it out free, then do mention, right? And in case you're going to actually show them a shipping cost separately for this, then maybe you can say it will be shipped in the same package at a small shipping fee. So whatever it takes to address that hidden objection they have in mind to clicking this button. Again, there's one more interesting point here. As you can see, this is the counter CTA, right? So this is the CTA where they'll say no thanks and they'll skip the offer. But look at the text here. So it says no thanks. I'll reorder later at full price. For now, I'll pass up. So what you want to essentially do in this buy block here is that you want to make clicking yes feel easy and risk-free, and take care of their objections when they are clicking it. And you want to make clicking no feel hard, right? So saying that, okay, I'll reorder later at a full price, well, that feels a little hard and I don't want to say this. Why should I pay the full price when I can get it at a discount now? So that is the conversation that you want people to have in their heads. Now, the fifth psychological trigger that I want to show you here is the urgency bar. Now, urgency bar, you've got the countdown timer here and you've got a text here. You can use power words like act now, hurry up, time is running out to reinforce the power of urgency, to reinforce that the offer is urgent. You can present this bar as a sticky header or a sticky footer or even somewhere in the middle. And this is the place where you can write the text. Again, you can adjust the height and all if you want. And now you can also choose to show the urgency bar after a certain delay. So if you want that, the urgency bar should appear after 2 seconds or 5 seconds or whatever. So then the page will load and the urgency bar will appear after X seconds. So whatever you write here. Let me show you a quick demo. Alright, so we've reloaded this page. As you can notice, the entire page has appeared and after 2 seconds of delay, the urgency bar appears here. So, well, that is what you can do here. And now you can also choose to just display this bar on the desktop or on the mobile or on both, right? You've got the option here. The next thing that you can do here is that you can go into the other section and into the countdown timer. And you can display the countdown timer in a different format. So this was one. And well, this is the other one, right? And you can also change the countdown timer color from here. So you can simply change it to whichever color that you like or whichever goes better with your brand and theme. Yep, here we go. Right? Again, all the text above, timer color, text digit color, label color, all of that can be changed. Also, a very interesting thing that I want to show you here is the action if timer hits 0. So you can choose to redirect them to the next offer. So the page will expire and the next offer in the sequence will appear, or if it's the thank you page, then thank you page will appear and this offer will expire in, let's say, 30 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever offer duration that you set up here. So you can make the urgency element extremely authentic by choosing to redirect them to a different page. And then finally, the final psychological trigger is the guarantee trigger right here. So you can actually write a persuasive guarantee, a rock solid guarantee, and you can have it in different, and you can have different pointers here. You can choose from these icons and talk about your top-notch customer support, or your product quality, or maybe it's 100% organic or 100% handcrafted, so on and so forth, or fast and free shipping, or maybe some trust badge here. So you can actually have a rock solid guarantee here so that they feel sort of safe while making the transaction, while saying yes, accept this, or yes, add this to my order now. So the idea is to get them to click on the button, and this guarantee section plays an important role, and that is why we've got another buy block right after the guarantee section. Well, so those were some of the psychological triggers which are used in this upsell page built by Customizer. Even if you choose to go with your custom page using one of the page builders, well, then do make sure that you do include these psychological triggers and create a high converting upsell offer page. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, do pop them in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to take them up for you.